Hello everyone, welcome to this session whereby we are going to talk of the broadcasters business network. And broadcasters, it's a financial technology or is a multi-level marketing business system which is part of Mpesa money, right? Okay, the first and foremost thing that we need to look at before you can even proceed, it's whether the business is legit or whether it is licensed. And by the look of things, we can see that they have been issued with the KRA PIN certificate. That's by Kenya Revenue Authority. So we can be assured that the business is legit, that the business is licensed. And therefore, you should not be worried as you join the network, as you work with the network, right? So next, we look at the company's vision and the mission, and that we see its vision is to connect the world through the financial technology with a mission of changing lives through financial technology. Yeah, and this is quite smart. We've been having all these technologies, the communication technology, socialization technologies, whereby we've signed ourselves in, like in Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Yeah, all those. We are there to socialize, to communicate. But here in broadcasters, you join, you get connected financially. So you are in the network, you get to earn money. Whoever joins the network has the capability of earning money as long as he or she assists in building the network, right? So this financial technology. Alright, so now let's look at how to join the business, right? How to join the broadcasters network business, right? And this one, for you to join, you have to register first. You have to register to have an account, right? To register, you have to be invited by someone. So once you've been invited by someone, you just go to the broadcasters website, or you use the link which has been sent to you by whoever is inviting you to access the website. Then you provide your first name, your last name, your email address, your country. This could be Uganda, Kenya, Rwanda. And then you enter your mobile money number. Then here, I've said that for you to join, you have to be invited by someone. You have to be referred by someone. So you enter the sponsor ID. This one should come from the one who is inviting you. Right? So you enter a password and then you confirm a password. The sponsor ID just looks just like this. So this one is the sponsor ID right here. Sponsor code, yeah? So this one is a sponsor code belonging to my account. So for you to join, you have to be referred by someone, and to be referred, you are provided with a sponsor code, yeah, whereby you could have accessed the website through a link or through the website by just typing or browsing, typing into your browser broadcaster. And once you type broadcaster, then you access the account, you enter your registration details, but you have to provide a sponsor code which should be coming from the whoever is inviting you. And this one is a example of a sponsor code. This one belongs to my account. So if you are joining, if you are going to join using my link, this is the code that you are going to enter here, the sponsor ID, right? So you, after that, you enter a password and then you confirm the password. Later, you just need to log in using your registration details, your email and your password, and then you are ready to go. Once you join the business, the next thing you do is to activate your account to be an active member in the network. And to activate, you first pay your subscription. To pay your subscription, you go to your Mpesa and then leave an Mpesa. Under your Lipa na Mpesa, you will be required to click on the pay bill, and then once you click on your pay bill, you enter your business number. you require to enter a business number. The business number should be 40443. I repeat, 40443. These are the details which are provided in in the website. Yeah, 443, and then the account number is PC. You just find these details once you log in. Once you log into the website, yeah, after you've created the account. So these are their payment details. Pay bill number 40443, and then the account number BC. Yes. Once you've done that, you will get an Mpesa message just like this here. Then you take or you copy this transaction ID and then you paste it to your activation dialog box. Yeah. Here you just paste the transaction ID and then you submit. Once you submit, the account will be activated immediately. Right? Once now you've activated, you are ready to go. What you need to do is that you share the link. Yeah? Share this link to your social media or else to your friends, accompanied with your code. Yeah, this one is the unique code which whoever you are inviting should enter for him or her to register. Because unless you have a sponsor code from someone who is already in the system, you will not be able to make your registration. So once you've registered, you've shared you get your link, then the next thing is now how do you get to earn from the network? Now let's look at this. To earn, this one is you bring in your first person here who signs up through your link or using your sponsor code. You get 650. From the second you get 650. But we have good news, because now here we are having some bonuses. For the people who are joining currently, you get 1,000. The first person you get 1,000. For the second person you get 1,000 instead of 650. Then the sponsor here, the sponsor is the owner of the network, gets 450 from the first and from the second. 450, and the network expands. As it expands, the first and second, the sponsor gets 450. The first and second, the sponsor gets 450. As the one gets 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Yeah. From the third person, you are getting 1,150. Right. Fourth, 1,150, 50 to the infinity. Right. So, if now under 3, there's first person, you get 450. Second person, you get 450. This one is here. Here from under third, first, second, you get 450. Under the first, second, 450. All this comes to you. All this becomes to you. As long as the first and second sign up, under third, fourth, fifth, sixth, all these 450s from the first and second sign ups will be deposited into your wallet account. From there, you can withdraw them into your Mpesa number, the one you provided during your registration process. Yeah. So I have a simplification of this, and we can look it at here. This one is just a simplification of how you earn from the network. Right? You join the account. Yeah. You create an account, then you activate with 1550. Oh, and maybe I've not talked of this. There's a cash reward. If you join today, you are going to be refunded 200 bucks. So in short, you will have used 1350 to create an account. Yeah. So you get a refund of 200, and then from the first, as I've said, there are bonuses right now. You get 1,000 from the first and second. Then the rest of the network here, first and second belongs to your sponsor. Right here, it belongs to your sponsor. So from the third, fourth, fifth, you get 1150. That is to the infinity. And then under 3, you are getting 450 from each first and second to the infinity. Under 3, you get 450. That is quite encouraging, I tell you. It's quite an impressive network. Fourth, you get 450 from first and second, right? 50 to the infinity. That's how you be. earn 450 from each and every first and second sign-ups, as from your third, fourth, fifth to the infinity sign-ups or downlines. Alright, that one is indirect referrals. Your direct referrals are here: first 1,000, 1,000, and then first and second sign-ups here, and then from the third it is 1,150 to the infinity. This one is the direct referrals here from your first circle, right? And then this one is indirect from the people who are going to be working for you as your network expands. So just imagine you bring your first, second, third one, you're giving it back to the sponsor, right? After you get your bonuses. Now from third, fourth, maybe say you brought 6 people, so you have a network from number 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you can just sit back and wait as this network works for you. This is quite beautiful, right? So I think we can look at maybe a simplification of the matter. Look at a spider, right? A spider, it's a natural phenomenon, right? We have spiders all over. And I think everyone has observed how they do. They build a network, they spin their web, yes, around, build a network, and then it just stays at the center. Then the network works for the spider, right? If an insect gets trapped from this direction, the spider just move, catch the insect, and then its meal, right? From all the directions, the spider can get its meal, right? It can get water because this web traps water, and then the spider can get the water. It gets the shelter here. Yeah? This way it gives birth to its young ones, you see. It just has network, and the network takes care of the spider, right? So we need to look at this. It's a natural phenomenon, building the network, and then the network takes care of the spider. And maybe the other thing which maybe you need to look at, it's this one is quite important. We need to look at this. We compare the two systems. We have been having the white collar job system and the internet marketing business system. We have this. At present, we've been having this. Everyone is in this. We've gone to school, we've been educated, but for us to get what the system has promised us, this is the white collar jobs. This is where we are all heading to. We want this job. So we have been educated. Many of us, we want the job, you see. So you can compare and you can look it for yourself and see the kind of challenge that we are having. The system is failing the educated because the job search teams are not expanding to accommodate all who have gone through the system. But looking at the other one here, the one we are having at present, the one I'm talking of right now, it's the internet marketing business system, whereby few have already signed up and few are signing, but the market, you see the opportunity, it's wide and it's increasing day and night as the people are signing up to the network. So these are things maybe which we can look at before you can make a decision of joining an internet business network, whereby there is no limitation. You join, then you have all these markets to tap, right? So if you are ready to join, this is Broadcasters. The sponsor code is provided. You just need to enter the sponsor code, and then your registration is complete. Then after that, you join trading in the network. So it's upon you to make a choice. It's either an entrepreneur or you're an employee. There's an employee, there's an entrepreneur. You're an entrepreneur, you create your own business. Then an employee, it's that you're looking for a job. And the jobs are quite few now, right now. So we need to look at that. Yeah, it's either a job or a business. We have a job, we have a business. So you can just look at these comparisons. This one, jobs. You can't decide your job. You can't decide your jobs earning any rewards because you are bound to some rules. But in a business, you have all these benefits, right? So these are things which maybe we can look at before we can change our minds to adapt businesses over jobs, right? So welcome to Broadcasters, and see you